Hey everyone, I'm Kim with another awesome video. Today I will show you the way that you can use Claude Opus 5 for free for 1 week from one account. Before starting video, I'll make you clear everything. From one account you can use Claude Opus 5 for free for 7 days. If you can switch, then you can again use 7 days from another account. This is the history that I have used. Before making video, I will properly test this platform. If it is work perfectly, then I will make a video. Do you want to use Claude Opus? Then let's get started. Which is provided by Aerolink. Choose your favorite browser and search for Aerolink. Then you are landed it here. In landing page it will mention everything. You can get $35 free for 1 week if you create a new account. Okay, after that I'm going to start for free. Sign up with Google. You can use some other authentication method as well if available. Verify you are human, then it will landed it here in the dashboard of Aerolink. Don't worry, your account is 0. I will show you the age and every process that you are required. After that, I'm going to open the documentation section here where it will mention age and everything. You can use it in Codex CLI and Cloud Code. In today's video, we are going to use it in Cloud Code. You can choose according to your operating system. Most of the process will be similar. I'm going to choose Mac OS where it will provide age and everything. Before you are using it, first you need to install Cloud Code. You everyone know that if you are using it inside the Cloud Code, then you require a Cloud Code. If you want, you can use Cloud Desktop as well, but in today's video I am going to use Cloud CLI. After that, you need to copy this code from here and you need to create settings.json file inside your .cloud folder. Each and everything will be mentioned here, but I'm here to instruct you every process step by step. I'm going to choose Mac OS where I have already installed Cloud Code. First, I'm going to close my terminal, open your Visual Studio Code or Anti-Gravity, which platform that you have used. Then press Command-Shift-P if you are using Mac and Control-Shift-P if you are using Windows. Then search for shell command. Then install the shell command, install code command in path. Okay. After you have installed, it will be easy for you to open .cloud folder. After that, type code directory.cloud folder, press enter, then your .cloud folder will be automatically open inside your Visual Studio Code. Even it will created in any directory. After that, if you are using it for the first time, then settings.json file might not be there or it will be empty. Then don't worry, create new file, give settings.json, not settings, okay, settings.json file name inside your .cloud directory. After that, you need to copy this all the code and paste it in your settings.json file where it will give you the base URL and other required things. Only things that you have required after that, which is Anthropic API key. After you have created your account, then API key section will be here in left corner account section. Go to the API key section, create your new API key, okay, create. Didn't share your API key with anyone. I'm going to delete my API key before video is published. Copy your API key and paste it here in Anthropic API key section and here in API key helper section. Okay, after that, you are ready to use. Your all the configuration process is completed. Now you can easily use it. Then I'm going to open it from my terminal where you can directly use it here as well. I'll select any directory, cd test directory. Inside my test directory, I am going to open Claude CLI. Okay, automatically it will show you the Claude Opus 5 1 million context API uses billing. And after you have configured your API key, it will ask, do you want to use this API key? Select as, then you are landed it here. Everything is perfect and working perfectly. Now you can easily use Claude Opus 5 for your project where Aerolink provide you a $35 per week. And it will set 5-hour context window. In every 5 hours you can use $5 within the 1 week. Whenever you want, you can easily use it. For sure, I'll test it here. Before that, I will show you my history. This is the landing page that I have built using it before making video. Here you can see gaming landing page and image to PDF generator web app I have built. This is the fully animated gaming landing page that I have built using Claude Opus 5. It will generate one perfect landing page for gaming website where it will cover each and everything. Navigation is working, each and everything will be included here. Where I have already built landing page and image to PDF generator. Now I'm going to build some other things to show you. I'm going to build one useful web app which is image compressor. This is the prompt that I have provided. Can you build a fully functional image compressor web app in single HTML file? It will read it, it will analyze it, it will think it, then it will start to build one image compressor web app. You can see it is already start to thinking. It will mention I will build this web app not using any dependency. Okay, when it will complete it, we are going to test it by uploading one large size image and we will test does it compress the image size or not. This is the way that you can use Claude Opus 5, which is provided by AeroLink, where you can easily use it for free. It will provide you a 5 hours windows. In every 5 hours it will provide you a $5 up to $35 in 1 week. When your balance is over or expire, then you can use it through another account as well. Everything that you have already set it, only change your API key and use it whenever you have required. It is working. It will take 2 minutes and 18 seconds and it will consume 3.2k tokens. You can see it will completed this web app in 675 line and it will mention do you want to create image compressor.html file, as this file will be generated here. Now you can easily test it from here. Okay, I'm going to open it, go live. You can see I have already tested by building 3 small web app, image compressor.html. Okay, you can easily set your output format. I am going to use PNG where it will mention lossless. Drag image here. I am going to upload this image 349 KB. Now let's see how much it will compress. Okay, when I have select PNG, it will mention image size is increased instead of compressing. But when I have select JPG, then it will decrease image size up to 87%. You can set quality here, max dimension here. According to your dimension and quality, it will compress it, or you can manually set it here as well, 200 MB or less than 200 MB. By this way, you can easily compress its size. You can download it in zip file, or if you want you can easily download one single image as well. Okay, it is 180 KB. This is the way that you can use Claude Opus 5 for your daily life. This is the another web app that I have built, image to PDF. Here if you can select multiple image, then it will convert this image into the PDF. Even if your image has different dimension, if you set it in fit to each image, then it will automatically takes its default size. If you set A4, then it will convert all image in A4 size, and some other feature will be available here. You can also set margin, you can also adjust the quality, max image dimension, and many more things. It will easily convert your image into the PDF. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well.